And now it's Sunday Fun Day. All right, we got a good crowd here and some excellent music again.
Oh, yeah.
Check it out.
It's Sunday Fun Day!
Woo!
I don't know. Turn off the lights and I glow to the extreme. I work a mic like a vandal. Light up the stage and wanna jump like a candle. Dance when I speak of that booms. I'm killing your brain like a poisonous mushroom. Deadly when I play a dumb melody. Anything less than the best is a felony. Love it or hate it, you better can't wait. You better hit the kids how the kid don't play. If there was a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Check out the
Captain Birch on YouTube. I do a walkthrough every Sunday. Yeah. Those little teeny tiny rocks. My first time I wore your shoes, I don't need shoes. See you, buddy.
guys, if I train wreck this song, just take another shot. It'll be okay. We were both young when I first saw you. I closed my eyes and felt that soft pretending. See the light, see the point, fall down. You make your way through the grounds of woods. You did I know. Crying on the staircase, begging you please don't go. And I said, baby, I'll take this summer we feel long. I'll be waiting. All that's left to do is for you to be the princess. I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say, yeah. Hey, this is the one you shouldn't be taping on, oh boy. So I sneak out to the garden to see you. We keep quiet, doesn't get it from you. It's time for a little while. You know me, I was started playing my Juliet, you were everything to me. I'm a pain, you don't go. My music in the song. I'm a midnight token. You don't want to hurt no one. You're the cutest thing that I ever could see. Feeling up your pieces, wanna shake your tree. Love me all the time. Ooh, baby, I sure show you good time. 'Cause I'm a giver, I'm a grinner, I'm a lover, I'm a sinner. Playing my music in the song. Well, I'm a joker, I'm a smoker, I'm a midnight toker. Living my loving on the run. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Shorty, you're mine. That train keep on rolling on that same tone. When I was just a baby, my mom told me so. Always be a good boy, don't you ever play with guns. I shot a man in Reno just to won't kill me down. Well, I hear that whistle blowing, well, I hate my heat. Come on. Well, I bet there's rich folks eating in them fancy dining cars. They're probably drinking coffee and smoking big cigars. Well, I know I had it coming. Well, I know I can't be through. When I hear those people move, yeah, that's what's holding me.
Guys, thanks for watching. Remember, subscribe if you haven't yet. Hit that thumbs up button. That helps a lot. And don't miss next week. We have Lady Ina. She's amazing. If you haven't heard her voice yet, you don't want to miss this party. See you next week.